How is Aditya Birla Fashion and Retail balancing the scale of mass market reach with the growing consumer demand for hyper personalized premium brand experiences?
See, actually, we are Aditya Birla Fashion is in menswear, Western menswear, then ethnic wear, and also in large format retail, masstige and value segments. The one of the challenges is in retail now in fashion is the how to capture the trends in on time, because the trends last much shorter compared to what it used to be, and it is the life cycle is continuously dropping. What we focus on is agility of how we are compressing our mind to market time. That is what we can constantly working on. How we can use technology, improve our processes, improve our coordination with the supply chain partners to be able to compress the lead time. That is a clear direction. That is the way we are trying to meet this challenge, so that we are constantly be able to give new trends to consumers at stores.
As the industry pivots towards circularity, what is the most significant operational shift you are championing to ensure long term sustainability that doesn't compromise your bottom line?
See, sustainability is a long journey in terms. Actually, we are probably one of the leaders in terms of how we have made our whole operations sustainable, and we also taken initiatives in terms of circularity, in terms of recycling consumer returns and developing fabric out of these are all at pilot scale at this point of time in the organization of how to recycle and recycle consumer returns and being able to use them for garments and apparel in part of our ranges. So we are focusing on one is we are also working with customers to extend their product life cycle of the brand of the product, so that their consumers are we improve on quality of garments so that consumers are able to use this for a longer period of time.
So, this is the last and very interesting question, sir. What is the one uncomfortable truth about the future of Indian retail that you believe leaders today are not talking about enough?
It's a difficult question. Uncomfortable truth. I think one is probably the amount of consumer as fast fashion becomes a trend, the amount of garments which will be consumed in India and thrown away is going to be a challenge in the next 10 decades. And I think one is we need to work on this, using these garments so that it doesn't end up as a waste on the earth and we throw it away, and how this can be extended is will probably one of the challenges for leaders in the fashion industry in the next decades.